townhouse off of Bertha. You see, I'm gonna have to deal with all that. Get those little holes. Supposed to be painting this unit. Well, I am gonna paint it. Kitchen. No major damage in this room. Got a little hole right there. Don't quite know how I'm gonna get these all the way up to the ceiling. Yeah, I don't quite know how I'm gonna get that, but I will. Old school bathroom. That door leads to the next room. I don't know why they do that. See the curtain for the shower, towels. Curtain for the towel rack. That's brilliant. Got some issues on these walls. Must have hung their favorite shelf right here. And it's another bedroom. Those butterflies will be hard to get off. Got a little hole right down there. Balcony to this room. Look like it been seeing better days. I can use that broom outside.